Headline: Unveiling the Intricacies of Optimal Nutrition, a deep dive into the nexus of science, health, and culinary alchemy. In the vast landscape of human wellness, the profound interplay between nutrition, science, and gastronomic innovation has emerged as a fascinating frontier. This expansive essay embarks on an enlightening odyssey, unraveling the complexities of optimal nutrition, peppered with insights from groundbreaking researchers who navigate the intricate tapestry of our dietary choices. Paragraph 1: The Microbiome Symphony and Nutritional Harmony. At the heart of the nutritional narrative lies the microbiome, a bustling metropolis of microorganisms that wield immense influence over our health. Pioneering the exploration of this microbial orchestra is Dr. Helena Bienville, a luminary in the field of nutrigenomics. Dr. Bienville's groundbreaking research delves into the intricate dance between our gut flora and the foods we consume, revealing the symphony of chemical reactions that shape our metabolic destiny. Her studies illuminate the impact of dietary patterns on the delicate balance of the microbiome, introducing concepts like prebiotics and postbiotics into the lexicon of nutritional science. Venturing further into the realm of nutritional symbiosis, Dr. Alessandro Culinaris, an avant-garde gastroenterologist, explores the concept of gastroecology. This innovative term encapsulates the interdependence of our digestive ecosystem and the foods we ingest, underscoring the need for a holistic approach to nutrition. As Dr. Culinaris passionately advocates for a culinary renaissance that aligns with our gastroecological well-being, his research challenges traditional paradigms, introducing words like nutriculinary to emphasize the inseparable link between nutrition and culinary practices. Paragraph 2: Nutraceuticals and the Quantum Leap in Wellness Science. In the quest for optimal nutrition, researchers like Dr. Serafina Quantum are at the forefront of a nutraceutical revolution. Dr. Quantum's pioneering work navigates the intersection of nutrition and pharmaceuticals, ushering in a new era of health interventions. The term nutraceuticals, coined by Dr. Quantum, encapsulates the fusion of nutrition and pharmaceutical science, representing a paradigm shift in our approach to wellness. Her research explores the potential of personalized nutraceutical regimens, harnessing the power of bioactive compounds to address individual health needs. Embarking on a quantum leap in nutritional science, Dr. Quantum introduces the concept of nutrigenomic precision, an approach that tailors dietary recommendations based on an individual's genetic makeup. This groundbreaking paradigm not only challenges conventional dietary wisdom but also opens avenues for personalized nutrition plans that optimize health outcomes. As words like nutrigenomic profiling become integral to the vernacular of nutritional discourse, Dr. Quantum's research reshapes our understanding of the intricate relationship between our genes and the foods we consume. Paragraph 3: Culinary Alchemy and the Gastronomic Frontier. In the realm of culinary exploration, where science meets flavor, Dr. Gastronome Lumiere stands as a beacon of innovation. Dr. Lumiere's avant culinary research endeavors to unravel the nuances of neurogastronomy, a term that encapsulates the intricate connection between our senses, brain, and culinary experiences. By dissecting the neural underpinnings of flavor perception, Dr. Lumiere unveils the potential for culinary interventions that not only satiate our taste buds but also nourish our cognitive well-being.